Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi POCO F4 GT, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up your settings. From here, I'm gonna select about phone, then you want to select backup and restore. Oh, my bad, it's below that, factory reset, so it has its own setting. So anyway, and here it gives you this message: erase the following items, and it provides you basically with all the items. It looks like we can tap on some of them, but it doesn't really do anything, I guess. So yeah, anyway, this list will just kind of show you what you're gonna be removing. So if there is anything from the list that you'd like to keep, maybe photos, apps, maybe some items, meaning like data, for instance, documents, downloaded pictures, music or stuff like that, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done the backup, or you simply don't want to, you can tap on erase all data, factory reset. Now we are stopped by 10-second timer right here, and another 10 seconds on the next page, letting us know that factory reset removes everything. Not sure why it needs to waste our time here. 20 seconds of our life that we're never gonna get back. From there we can tap on OK, and this will now begin the process. Now this should take about like a minute or so to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.